Hey kings and queens, peace, love and light. Hope you're doing alright so far. That's why guys, don't I love you, I appreciate you, and I want you to work on yourself so you can be the better version of your best self. Now guys, I have a video for you. This is going to be a wonderful video, so it is definitely going to go viral. This video is entitled Use Your Waist and Not Your Face. What am I talking about? Let's jump in. Alright guys, whenever you're going to war, you have to prepare yourself. So I'm going to show you guys how to make the perfect smoothie to boost your sex drive, detoxify your body, and build your immune system. So let's see the weapons that we have for war today. So we have our mixed nuts and seeds, courtesy of yours truly, a knowledgeable true version. We have our sex drive booster, which is an infusion of honey and many medicinal herbs such as maca root, oregano, leaf of life, we have dog blood, we have duppy gun, we have vervine, and so much more. We have our energy booster and we have our daily immune booster. We have over here our immune booster and also sex drive booster capsules. We have some melon back. Guys, if you know, you know, melon back is a natural aphrodisiac. We have two weapons here, guys. So if you want to turn your banana into a platinum, yeah guys, this video is definitely to boost your sex drive. Over here we have our whole oats, we have our cranberry, we have our nutmeg, we have raisins, we have our rich people food. I walk around with this. This is actually the contents of it. So as you can see guys, we have pecans, we have raisins, we have cranberries, we have almonds, we have sunflower seeds, we have pumpkin seeds, we have flax seeds. We have over 12 different nuts here, guys. We also have our cinnamon and mixed spice. We also have our salt, and we have a cup of water. Why do we need a cup of water? Now, guys, you're going to soak all of these overnight, preferably for at least an hour. So you mix the oats with the nuts and you soak them, and then you're going to take 2 of your immune booster, sex drive booster capsules, and you're going to drop them in the water. Let me just do that real quick. Alright, so I just added the contents of the sex drive booster capsules. Let's just give it a stir. Yeah, and you'd actually see the color of the water change after a while. Just give it some time to soak. Now guys, once you've actually done that and you've added your ingredients, your oats and your mixed nuts to soak, preferably overnight like I said, you're going to add the contents to a blender. Now guys, I've been making smoothies and I've even operated a smoothie business for many years. Whenever you're making smoothies, it's good to not overpower it. So depending on your taste and your level of sweetness, you have a variety of options. I recommend a small banana or half of a big banana and half of a big platen. If you love sweets, you can go a whole platen if you want, but you don't want to overpower the taste. You have the option of using cranberries and raisins and honey as a natural sweetener. Now guys, never ever put milk in your smoothies unless it's coconut milk. Never ever put sugar in your smoothies. Guys, what you're trying to do is boost your body's energy levels naturally without giving yourself a crash. Do not add sugar, do not add syrups to your smoothies. Use natural sweeteners, use natural ingredients. Sweeteners such as bananas and plantains are very good. They are very powerful as well. If you want to have extra time, you can add alcohol to it, but I recommend that you just go natural using a variety of the herbs that I have listed here. Now guys, once you've actually had your ingredients soaked, all you need to do is add them to your blender, aka your cooking agent, because that's how we cook our food, guys. We blend it, and you're going to get it as smooth as possible. Blend it out completely, and I guarantee you, you can go back to this video if you don't believe me. Your partner will call you at 2 o'clock in the morning and recite Chris Brown lyrics to you. She will say, or he will say, I know it's late, but baby, I can't focus. Guys, I need you guys to put in back the energy and the endurance and the stamina in your back, in your sex life. Guys, if you want to be the better version of your best self, if you want to increase the length of your duration when you're making love or having sex, guys, definitely put healthy, positive, energizing food in your body. So like I said, we have our sex drive booster, we have our energy booster, and we have our daily immune booster. All of these have a combination of turmeric, ginger, many medicinal herbs that can really boost your body and give you the energy that you need to become the better version of your best self in the bedroom, of course. So yeah, guys, once again, use your waist and not your face. Put the right food in your body so you can be energized and become the better version of your best self. Peace, love, and light, guys. Have an awesome day.